Ready to level up your gaming rig? Today, we're diving into the top 10 best graphic cards on Amazon, from budget-friendly beasts to high-end powerhouses built for 4K gaming and beyond. Whether you're building a new PC or upgrading your setup, these GPUs bring speed, visuals, and smooth performance. Stick around to find the perfect card for your system. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more tech reviews and gear drops. At number 1 we have Asus RTX 4060 graphics card. Powered by the latest NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, this GPU delivers up to 2x higher performance and power efficiency, ensuring unmatched speed and stability for modern gaming. Its 4th General Tensor cores provide up to 4x performance with DLSS 3, while 3rd Gen RT cores double ray tracing capability for lifelike lighting and reflections. With boost clock speeds of up to 2535 MHz in OC mode, it's built for high-end gaming performance. The Axial Tech fan design features a smaller hub with longer blades and a barrier ring to increase downward air pressure, enhancing cooling. A 2.5 slot form factor optimizes compatibility and airflow, making it ideal for compact builds. 0 decibels technology allows for silent operation during light gaming sessions, while the dual BIOS switch lets you instantly toggle between quiet and performance modes without software. Durable dual ball fan bearings ensure long-lasting reliability, providing up to twice the lifespan of conventional sleeve-bearing fans. At number 2 we have XFX RX 7900 XT Gaming Graphics Card. The XFX Radeon RX 7900 XT Gaming Graphics Card delivers exceptional next-gen performance powered by the advanced AMD RDNA 3 architecture. Equipped with 20 GB of high-speed GDDR6 memory, it ensures smooth gameplay and ultra-detailed visuals across modern AAA titles. With a boost clock of up to 2400 MHz, it provides lightning-fast responsiveness and efficient rendering for immersive gaming experiences. The AMD triple fan cooling solution keeps temperatures low and performance stable, even during intense gaming sessions. Designed for serious gamers and creators, this graphics card offers outstanding efficiency, durability, and cutting-edge graphics performance. At number 3 we have Gigabyte Master Ice 32GB graphics card. The Gigabyte Aorus GeForce RTX 5090 Master Ice 32GB sets a new benchmark in GPU innovation and performance. Powered by NVIDIA's groundbreaking RTX architecture, it delivers breathtaking visuals, ultra-smooth frame rates, and next-level AI acceleration for gaming and creative workloads. Equipped with an impressive 32 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory, it ensures unmatched speed and multitasking efficiency for demanding 4K and 8K environments. Enhanced RT and Tensor cores bring realistic ray tracing and superior AI-driven graphics to life, making every frame more immersive and lifelike. Designed for enthusiasts, the Master Ice Edition combines exceptional cooling performance with cutting-edge aesthetics to stay ahead of the game in both power and style. At number 4 we have Asus RTX Trademark 5070 Gaming Graphics Card. Powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4. Military-grade components deliver rock-solid power and longer lifespan for ultimate durability. Protective PCB coating helps protect against short circuits caused by moisture, dust, or debris. 3.125 slot design with massive fin array optimized for airflow from 3 Axial Tech fans. Phase change GPU thermal pad helps ensure optimal thermal performance and longevity, outlasting traditional thermal paste for graphics cards under heavy loads. Asus GPU guard and bracket secure the GPU, reducing the risk of cracks and ensuring stable mounting. Auto Extreme Precision automated manufacturing helps ensure higher reliability. GPU Tweak 3 software provides intuitive performance tweaking, advanced thermal controls, and system monitoring. At number 5 we have Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3060. Powered by NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, this graphics card features 2nd-generation ray tracing cores and 3rd-generation Tensor cores for stunning visuals and AI-enhanced performance. With a boost clock of 1695 MHz and 8 GB of 256-bit GDDR6 memory running at 14 gigabits per second, it delivers smooth, high-speed gameplay with T 4.0 support. The Ice Storm 2.0 advanced cooling system, active fan control, and freeze fan stop ensure optimal thermal performance and quiet operation, while the metal backplate provides durability and style. Its sleek white LED logo lighting adds a premium touch to any setup. Supporting up to 8K resolution in VR, it's equipped with 4 DisplayPort 1.4a and 1 HDMI 2.1 outputs for multiple display configurations. Designed with low hash rate (LHR) technology for optimized gaming performance, it's ideal for gamers who demand power, efficiency, and reliability. At number 6 we have PNY RTX 5070 graphics card. DLSS is a revolutionary suite of neural rendering technologies that uses AI to boost FPS, reduce latency, and improve image quality. 5th General Tensor Cores, new streaming multiprocessors, 4th General Ray Tracing Cores. Reflex Technologies optimize the graphics pipeline for ultimate responsiveness, providing faster target acquisition, quicker reaction times, and improved aim precision in competitive games. Upgrade to advanced AI with NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs and accelerate your gaming, creating, productivity, and development. Thanks to built-in AI processors, you get world-leading AI technology powering your Windows PC. Experience RTX accelerations in top creative apps, world-class NVIDIA Studio drivers engineered and continually updated to provide maximum stability, and a suite of exclusive tools that harness the power of RTX for AI-assisted creative workflows. At number 7 we have Gigabyte RTX 3060 graphics card. Experience next-level gaming power with the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3060 Windforce OC12G, Rev. 2.0, driven by NVIDIA's Ampere architecture featuring 2nd-generation RT cores and 3rd-generation Tensor cores. Equipped with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory and a 192-bit interface, it delivers smooth, high-resolution gameplay and exceptional performance across modern titles. The Windforce 2X cooling system with alternate spinning fans and screen cooling ensures efficient heat dissipation and quiet operation. Its compact 200mm design fits easily into most PC builds without sacrificing power. With a boosted core clock of 1792 MHz, this GPU offers ultra-fast frame rates and fluid graphics. Ideal for gaming and creative workloads, it combines stunning visuals, AI acceleration, and superior cooling for a flawless experience. At number 8 we have Asus RTX trademark 5080 graphics card. Experience extreme performance and durability with the latest GPU powered by NVIDIA's cutting-edge Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4 technology for ultra-smooth, lifelike graphics. Built with military-grade components, it delivers rock-solid power and exceptional longevity for even the most demanding gaming and creative tasks. The protective PCB coating safeguards against short circuits from moisture, dust, or debris, ensuring long-term reliability. Featuring a 3.6-slot design with a massive fin array, it's optimized for superior airflow driven by 3-axial tech fans that keep temperatures low and performance high. A phase-change GPU thermal pad enhances heat transfer and outlasts traditional thermal paste, maintaining optimal thermal efficiency under heavy workloads. Designed for gamers and professionals alike, this GPU redefines stability, cooling, and next-gen visual power. At number 9 we have MSI RTX 3060 12GB graphics card. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12GB GDDR6 graphics card delivers next-level gaming performance powered by the advanced Ampere architecture. With a GPU clock speed of 1710 MHz and a memory clock speed of 1807 MHz, it ensures smooth and responsive gameplay across the latest titles. Featuring DisplayPort 1.4x3 and HDMI 2.1x1 output interfaces, it supports a stunning maximum display resolution of 7680 by 4320 for ultra-clear visuals. Designed with enhanced ray tracing cores and tensor cores, the RTX 3060 brings realistic lighting, shadows, and AI-driven graphics to life. Combined with ultra-fast G6 memory and next-gen streaming multiprocessors, this GPU delivers incredible power efficiency and cutting-edge performance for immersive gaming and creative workloads. At number 10 we have Gigabyte RTX 4060 graphics card. Powered by NVIDIA DLSS 3 and the ultra-efficient Ada Lovelace architecture, the GeForce RTX 4060 delivers cutting-edge gaming performance and full ray tracing for lifelike visuals. Its 4th-generation Tensor cores provide up to 4x performance with DLSS 3, while 3rd-generation RT cores offer up to 2x ray tracing performance for stunning realism. Integrated with 8 GB of GDDR6 128-bit memory, this graphics card ensures smooth gameplay and fast rendering. The Windforce cooling system keeps temperatures low during intense gaming sessions, while RGB fusion lighting adds a customizable aesthetic. Dual BIOS functionality offers flexible performance tuning, and the durable metal backplate provides extra protection and rigidity for long-lasting reliability. Engineered for efficiency and durability, the RTX 4060 delivers exceptional frame rates and seamless multitasking across modern AAA titles. Perfect for gamers and creators alike, it combines power, style, and cooling innovation in one sleek package.